following Jesus is not a simple task. Carrying the cross sometimes may mean paying the price we are unwilling to pay. Pero pag sumunod ka kay Jesus, sometimes magbabayad ka ng presyong hindi mo gustong bayaran. Lord, why I have to pay for this? Bakit ito pa, Lord? Bakit ako? But ngayon pa, God, of all the season, ngayon mo inalaw, pwede ba wag ngayon? Bakit siya pa, God? Ba't siya pa? Ba't yung anak ko pa, Lord? Pwede ba ako na lang? Bakit yung anak ko pa? You cannot question the Lord. But there are certain questions like that. Sumusunod naman ako Do you relate with that? Kung kailan ako nag-church, Lord, saka mo inalaw to, parang unfair. You know, when you are experiencing things like that, it's because it's your cross. Following Jesus may involve heavy burdens in life that require carrying and acceptance and not questioning. Buhatin mo lang hanggang sa makakaya mo. Darating yung point, babagsak ka sa kabubuhan. Hindi mo na kaya. Talaga suko na ako. And you know, that is the best application of the footprints in the sand. The question of the person there, sabi niya, Lord, but one turn na lang ng paa, nakita ko, iniwanan mo na ba ako? Sabi ng Panginoon, no. It was when you fall that I was able to carry you. The footprints that you saw is not yours. It is mine.